Hi everybody. Today we have the topic switch. Switch. We are discussing about the network devices. In this basic network devices, we are discussing about routers, hub, and repeaters. And today we have the another network device which is switch. Switch. It is also one of the network device. This network device which is used to connect the multiple computers at one place with the network, with the computer network. This is the network which is used to send the messages from one place to another place, that is source or sender place to receiver or destination place. And this is connects the multiple computer to the network by switch. This is the switch. And this switch having the ports. It is the ports. These ports are connected to individual computer devices. Every individual computer device are connected with a MAC address. Every computer having its own MAC address. It is the internet ID of individual system to the connected by the network by using the switch network device. And basically this switch is used to send the personal messages from one place to another. And by using this switch there is no data loss or wasting. There is no wasting of data. And this is the very intelligent than the hub. And this switch can have the ports. This is the switches, and it is the ports, and it is connected to the multiple computers. And what are the advantages of switches? The advantage of switches, this switch is unique cost to the number of messages. And these switches send the data packets. We are already discussing about data packet. The large amount of data, the large amount of message split into number of data packets. And these data packets are sent by the switch by using the MAC address. And this switch can also support the full duplex of data transmission. But what is the mean by full duplex here? Full duplex means here if you observe the system is connected and here also one port should be connected to the another system. When the system is send the data to the another system, and at the same time this system also send the data packet to the same sender, this is the full duplex. At the same time the sender device which is receiving the data packet and also send the data packets within the same time. It can be receive the data packet and send the data packet to the receiver. That is called full duplex data transmission. Through the switch or MAC address. And another advantage of switch is if these are the nodes or port, if one node should be failed, if one node should be failed, there is no effect to the another nodes or another devices. These are the switch advantage. And coming to disadvantages, the first one is if the switch is failed. Here not node. Here the switch is, if it is switch is failed, the entire network will be collapsed. The entire network will be closed or collapsed. This is one of the disadvantages. And next one, the maintenance of switch. The maintenance of switch or setup of switch is very difficult. Difficult to set up the switch. Difficult to set up the switch, and also at the same time it is expensive than the hub. Expensive than the hub. That means the switch is very costly compared to the hub. These are the disadvantages of switch. This is the switch network device. Thank you.